Hello and welcome to our new app, AutoCart. Today we will guide you through the installation and setup of your first rule in AutoCart. With AutoCart, you can finally enable your customers to receive special offer products directly in their carts based on the conditions you set. For example, if you create a buy two, get the third free offer, AutoCart will automatically add the third product to the cart. You can also choose whether to gift it or apply a specific discount, all in an automated manner. Let's see how to install the app. In the App Store, search for Next Tools, where you will find all our apps. Click on AutoCart, then click the Install button. Once installed, the app's onboarding will start, showcasing some features. And here, click Enable. This is important to activate the theme extension on the store, and save. Now close the page and return to the app. The first thing to do is to activate a plan. Go to Billing here and choose the plan you prefer. I recommend the monthly advance plan to test all the features our app offers. Remember, you have a 7-day free trial with all our plans for all our apps. First thing to do is to click here on Create Automatic Discount. This is mandatory for the correct workflow of the app. Now we are ready to create our first rule. Click on Create New Rule to access the settings page for our new rule. The first step is to name this rule with a title. This helps us remember the rule's goal, and this field is mandatory. In the Automation Trigger section, select AND if you want all conditions to be true, or if just one condition is enough to activate the AutoCart rule. In the Condition field, select the condition you need from the drop-down menu. In our case, we will create a rule where if the cart total exceeds $1,000 and there are at least 3 products in the cart, we will add a beautiful snowboard to the cart and give a 99% discount only on this product. The first condition is Cart Total. Select the criterion greater than and set the value to $1,000. This is our first condition. Now, let's add the second condition right on the bottom. Click here to add a new condition, open the drop-down menu, and select Line Item Quantity. Set it to be greater than 2, meaning we want a minimum of 3 items in the cart to get the gift. In the Product to Add section, select the product you want to add to the cart by using the browser button. Select the desired product, and you can even manage the quantity here. The next step is crucial. In the Give Discount on Selected Products section, define the message to show next to the item in the cart and the discount percentage you want to apply. For example, if you give it as a gift, you'll set it to 100%. In this way, it will be free. In our example, we'll set it to 99% as stated. Now save the rule. As you can see from the AutoCart dashboard, the rule is active. Let's check the store to ensure the rule is working as intended. Here in the store, we select one product over $1,000. Going to the cart, we see no other products added because our second condition requires a minimum of 3 items. Adding one more item doesn't trigger anything yet. But if we put 3 products in the cart, the snowboard is added as expected with the 99% discount. What if you remove one item? The snowboard disappears from the cart, as you can see, because the conditions are no longer met. This is how simple and quick it is to create a special offer for your customers, automatically adding a surprise gift to their cart. So don't waste any time and unleash a new potential of your store with AutoCart. Install the app from the link below and start creating special offers with automatic gifts for your customers using our app, AutoCart.